Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on making your iPhone flash when you get a text or call. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Enabling this setting will make your phone's torch flash when you get a text or call. Open up the Settings app and scroll down to and tap on Accessibility. Scroll down the accessibility settings and tap on Audio/Visual. Scroll down and switch the toggle on to the right of LED flash for alerts. If you would like the torch to flash in silent mode, then switch the toggle on for flash on silent. Your torch will now flash when you get an alert. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more iPhone tips and tricks.